What's up, y'all? It's your boy Focus, aka Judas, back with another video. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and share. We are going to be unboxing the Logitech G522 Lightspeed headset. Thank you, Logitech, for sending it out. We're going to go ahead and do a review of the audio on it, its complete functionality. We're going to talk about how it feels. We're going to go through everything. So look down in the description, get all the information. Make sure y'all check out the description below because you could have a chance to win a headset yourself, as long as you go in and you follow all the instructions in the description. Other than that, let me show y'all what we're talking so much about. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and let's get into it. There she is. Okay. There she is. Get that out the way. Let your streak shine. We got this product, okay. So there it is, Lightspeed headset. Nice packaging so far. I like this. Wireless gaming headset, light sync, Lightspeed, Bluetooth. And let's go ahead and get inside and see what we got going on here. So, got a regular plastic tabs here that gets it open. It's pretty clear and cut. Okay, no, you need to unfold it here. It's another plastic tab here on the back. I'm gonna pull that open. And now we're unboxing it. So we see here, it has instructions here. It says Lightspeed, how to go to that mode. Go to G Hub in order for that, for Lightspeed. Then it has Bluetooth mode over here, shows you how to do that, and USB. All those things are inscribed right there. I think that's pretty cool on the packaging. And here's a close-up of the actual box. Nice so far. All right, got this G right there, and that series on the paper. This looks nice. Ooh, look at this. This looks nice, right? Ooh, okay. All right, so I like this right here so far. This headset feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap. Let me get this box out of the way for a second. There's some content inside of there. But let me let y'all take a look at this. So on the left cup, we have L. On the right cup, we have R. And we have this pad up here. This is supposed to protect your head, it looks like. Let's put this on. Oh man, this feels good. Yo. Okay. Not necessarily noise canceling yet, but I don't have it powered up, but it feels really good. It doesn't feel bad. These cups are nice and cushiony on my ears. Let's see what we have here. Is any power on it yet? Oh, it is power. Look. We're lighting it up. It said something to me. I'm not really sure what it said. Let me turn it off and turn it back on and see what we got. It said something though. Oh, turned it off. Oh, it has a power down mode. That's cool. A little light show for the power down. Okay, I turned it on. It has a audio clip, and then it says Lightspeed. Okay, cool. Let's get into everything else. Okay, so now getting into the rest of the content inside the box. Looks like they have our mic and our cords, our cables. That's it for the box, so we don't need that for right now. Let's get that out of the way. So here looks like our dongle that would go into, not really sure yet, but it's a USB, the regular one. Then we have our cable here, I believe to charge and to connect if we want to. All right. You know what? This dongle will go inside of your gaming system. That's how my other headset works. So that goes into the back or wherever the USB slot is. Here's the mic. This mic is nice. It's nice and flexible. I like that. And then it holds when you go there. So it's not giving you a whole lot, but it's giving you enough that you can get it close to where you can talk at. And I'm assuming this right here is where that audio would be entered. Is there something on this other side? Nope, that's it for that. Let's put that to the side. Let's go ahead and try to get this thing going. I am going to get this set up in Bluetooth, go through these instructions, and I'm gonna let y'all hear how this audio sounds on the actual camera. So this is the audio straight out the mic. No EQ, no low cut, no high pass, no de-esser, no nothing. This is just straight out the box. This is what y'all be getting.
I am in a garage right now that is untreated, unfinished. It's not sound treated or anything. So this is what it would sound like if you're gaming in one of those type of environments or in a more open environment. I like this a lot. The mic is very flexible. I like that. It doesn't have like that rigid, rugged like type thing to it. You say if you got to eat or something, you can move this away, handle your business, eat your food, or you could actually use the mute button, which is right underneath here. When you hit that, the little red light comes on and it lets you know that you're muted. So that's really dope too, you know, versus you trying to figure out if you're muted. Oh, and also the side tone. When you put the side tone on in the G Hub app, you can increase it as much as you want so you can actually hear yourself in real time while you're talking, or you can turn it off if you don't care for hearing your own voice. Me, I like to monitor what I sound like, and it sounds great through these headphones. It's right there, it's real time, sounds amazing. What do y'all think about it down below? Let me know. Honest thoughts. What y'all got? Overall, let's go back over this. Let's review this. So, unboxing this, at first, I didn't really understand. It was a really light headset. I was like, there's no way they have all this technology in this light headset. There's no way. Then I start putting it together. The mic just comes right out just like that. You can't get it wrong. They have it actually shaped like this so you can have it in the right way. So you can't get it wrong. The light goes on if it's muted. And in order to turn that off, you just hit it and you unmute yourself. Again, this is really, really light. It has different adjustments to this you can do here with the band. I like this purple accent that they have inside. I'm not really sure if I showed you that well, but this purple accent and everything feels really durable. It doesn't feel like it's about to break. Now I wouldn't be, you know, rocking my headset like that, making it do all this, but I'm just showing you how durable it is. And it's extremely light. Like, I don't feel like this is weighing me down at all. I almost feel like I don't have anything on my head, besides the fact that my ears are covered, but it's very light. They really thought about that. The mic system they have on the G Hub is blue voice customization. So with that, you can add your EQ, your tweaks, put in your high pass, your low cut, whatever you want to put on it. You can tweak it to however you like. But straight out the mic, just default settings, no real EQ to it, sounds amazing. I would say definitely if I had to, 1 out of 10, I'd have to say I give it a 8.5. 8.5. The only thing it is that I would say that would make it go higher for me is I would like for it to be a little louder, because I want that option to be able to take off that limiter of having it a little louder. Because I like personally, that's a personal thing, I like my stuff loud, and then I can turn it down and adjust it how I want. And only other thing I would say is just connectivity to the G Hub app. Like, sometimes it's a little hard, you gotta be patient with it, because you gotta have it updated, then you gotta have it in Lightspeed mode. I had to figure that out. But really, those are only my takeaways from it. I mean, other than that, I mean, it's a solid headset, man. I'm gonna be on this for, you know, this is gonna be my go-to now. Make sure if you guys wanna try one of these, if you wanna get your hands on one, there's a chance to do it down in the description. Just make sure you follow that link and you can end up getting you one of these. So make sure you go down in the description and you check it out. Other than that, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. What is this, something that y'all about to get? Is this what y'all about to rock? Drop down in the comments, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share with a friend, and appreciate you, Logitech. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Holla at your boy. See y'all next time around. Yeah.
All the care, the support. I thank you for that. That's what kept me going. That and knowing I'm nice. So I can just say whatever I feel pretty much.